Hello everyone. We are going to discuss two topics. One is climate change, another one is do's and do nots during various type of disasters. Unit 1 in Introduction to Disaster under Disaster Management subject. This unit objective is to provide student an exposure to disaster, their significance and types. This unit outcome is differentiate the type of disasters, causes and their impact on environmental and society. Global trends in disaster in climate change view. Climate change refers to significant long-term changes in the global climate. The global climate is the connected system of sun, earth, ocean, wind, rain, snow, forest, desert and everything people do. The climate of a place, say India, can be described as it rainfall, changing temperature during the year and so on. A description of the global climate includes how, for example, the rising temperature of the Pacific Ocean, which blow harder, drop more rain and cause more damage, but also shift global ocean currents that melt Antarctica ice, which slowly makes sea level rise. This systematic connections that makes global climate change to import and so complicated. The climate change major role is global warming under greenhouse effect. So the second topic we are going to discuss about do's and do nots during earthquake. First we'll see the do's. We have to stay away from glass windows in the building. We need to move to a open place. If we are inside a vehicle, we have to stay inside. If we are inside a building, we have to stay under a strong desk or table. If there is no table or desk near, try to come out from the room. So do not during earthquake is don't drive or ride the vehicle during the earthquake. Do not panic. Don't use electrical equipment. So next one is during landslide. Do's are, in case of the danger of a landslide, we have to move to higher region, for example hill and mountain. We have to move away from the path of landslide as quickly as possible to avoid living in river valley and low lying areas. We have to plant more and more trees in landslide prone areas. So do not during landslides, don't stay in the path of a landslide areas. Don't move near to a river or valley. Don't build house in landslide prone areas. Don't climb trees, poles or don't move inside the building during landslide. So next one is tsunami. So during tsunami, what are all the things we have to do? People living in coastal area should evacuate from their homes before tsunami. Try to move to a higher places. In coastal areas, stay alert of tsunami warning from the government. So do not during the tsunami is don't go to the coast to watch the tsunami. Don't go for fishing. The next one is do's and do nots during fire. So do's are, if a fire is caused by electric shock, we should always use sand or clay to extinguish the fire instead of water as it is a conductor of electricity. If a person gets fire, take help of a cloth to extinguish fire from him. So don't do worse. Don't run around. If your cloth catch fire, you will fan the flame and make burning faster. If fire is caused by some fuel, don't use water to extinguish it, as fuel floats on water, so it will raise the fire. So we have to use A extinguisher for cloth, wood, rubber, paper and plastic fires. B extinguisher for gasoline and oil fires. C extinguisher especially for electrical fires. And D extinguisher for especially metal fires. So K extinguisher for kitchen fires. Yes, hope we got the knowledge about climate change and do's and do nots during various type of disasters. Thank you.